What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with a quick video. I'm testing out the Brake Buster by P&S. I've watched a few videos on it from a few different detailers. They seem to like it. So I'm testing it out to see how good of a job it does when I'm cleaning my wheels to get all the tire dressing on that was on there previously. So I'm gonna test it out, spray it on the wheel, on the rim basically, and then on the tire. And then I'm going to use my tools here. I got this is for in between. And I got my brush here. This is basically my bucket here for my wheels. Always got to keep a separate bucket for the wheels. So I'm going to spray it all on here. Let's see how good of a job it does of getting all the old stuff off. Basically, it's on here, and this goes on the tire and on the wheel. So let's see how good of a job it does. And as you can see, it's already doing the browning. Oh, that's all the old stuff that's on there. So far so good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 seconds on here. Then I'm gonna scrub it, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I sprayed it on there, scrubbed it pretty good. Cleaned the rim up itself with the brushes and so forth, and came out pretty good. Looks pretty clean, I must say. It looks like it does a pretty good job. So I got all of that old tire dressing that I had on there. So now what I can do, I can dry the wheel, dry the tires, and I can put new dressing on there, which should help it bond nicely to the tire because that old stuff is all gone. So not so bad for Brake Buster by P&S. Looks good. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.